Hello guys, today token is mini football token. Price is $0.000870. BTC is 138% high. BNB is 118% high. Low price is $0.000339. Price change in 24 hours. That means high price is $0.00829. Trading volume in 24 hours around $6.6 million. And total supply is around 1 lakh trillion mini football token. Its blockchain is Binance Smart Chain. This is contract address. Website is minifootball.com. We can join on Twitter and Telegram. After that we will enter $1 here, and in $1 we are getting around 1.1 billion mini football token. After that we will come down, and this is its chart. This chart is continuously increasing. After that we will open its website and click on minifootballtoken.com. I have already opened this website. Mini football, we are bring you mini football. Mini football is a new crypto that combines the greatest fan from football and Doge, creating the greatest community in the world. And we will click on tokenomics. This is tokenomics. First is auto price fund. 8% price fund wallet. 8% of each transaction will go to the price fund wallet. Auto liquidity pool. 4% pancake swap. 4% of each transaction will go to the pancake swap liquidity. And auto launch holders. 1% redistribution. 1% of each transaction will go back to the amazing holder. And how to buy. First step, download MetaMask or Trust Wallet and purchase BNB or BSC. Open your browser and swap the mini football. We will use 12 to 15% slippage for effective purchasing. And we will click on roadmap. This is roadmap. First phase is marketing push, website launch, use influencer, 5k plus telegram member, resale announcement. Phase 2 is defenders, successful launch, dex tool trading, Reddit trading, coin hunt, Conspert, etc. Influencer marketing push, Catic audit, listing on CoinGecko, listing on CoinMarketCap, 25k plus telegram member, weekly giveaways, prize draws, go live and big manual burn. Huge marketing campaign, meme contest, listing on CEX, football ads on Bing Games, expansion of core team, marketing period to one first game release on the first game marketing push. Phase 4 partnership, football ads on Bing Games, release of the second games, increase marketing push, big manual burn, website redesign, mini football AWAP, more partnership. These are team member of this project: Andy, Boderick, Hector and Joxens. CEO, developer and head for marketing, Jackson. What are we about? Our team loves football and crypto, especially in ability to disrupt barrier and create global community. For the reason a token that company both world was born mini football. We hope to find one of the largest community in the crypto, giving second fans and new fans unique and once in little life opportunity through our community prize system. And this is Twitter account of mini football. Total followers is 7,999. Mini football is a new crypto that combines the greatest fan from the football Doge